Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify your Payoneer account to receive international payments and access all platform features, follow these detailed steps for successful verification. Step 1. Visit the Payoneer website and log in to your account using your registered email address and password. Step 2. After logging in, navigate to the Settings menu by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Step 3. Look for the Verification Center or Security Settings section. Click on it to view all pending verification requirements. Step 4. Start with email verification. If you haven't verified your email yet, Payoneer will send a verification message to your registered email address. Check your inbox. Step 5. Open the verification email and click on the confirmation link. This will verify your email address. Step 6. For identity verification, you'll need to upload a government-issued photo ID such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Step 7. Take a clear photo or scan of your ID, ensuring all information is visible and legible. Upload the document through the verification portal. Step 8. You may also need to provide proof of address, such as a recent utility bill, bank statement, or government-issued document showing your current address. Step 9. Submit all required documents and wait for Payoneer to review your verification request. This typically takes 2 to 5 business days. Check your email for confirmation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.